Today I'm going to show you exactly how Pinterest affiliate marketing works step by step in 2026. Because honestly, a lot of people hear that you can make money with Pinterest, but most tutorials skip important steps. And that's why many beginners end up confused. So in this video, I'm going to explain the full process clearly, from creating your account all the way to posting affiliate pins correctly. First, what is Pinterest affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing basically means promoting products using a special tracking link. And when somebody clicks your link and buys something, you earn a commission. Now, Pinterest works extremely well for this because people already use the platform to search for ideas, products, room inspiration, fashion gadgets, beauty products, recipes, and things they want to buy, which means the traffic already has strong buying intent. Now, step 1, create a Pinterest business account. Go to the official Pinterest website, Pinterest official website. Then, create an account or switch your personal account into a business account. This is important because business accounts give you analytics, performance tracking, and better growth tools. Now, after creating the account, set up your profile properly. Use a clear profile picture, a simple username, and a short description explaining your niche. For example, home decor ideas, fitness motivation, tech products, or digital products. Now, step 2, choose one niche. This is extremely important because many beginners fail by posting random products from completely different categories. Instead, focus on one niche only. For example, beauty, fitness, fashion, tech, home decor, productivity, recipes, or digital products. Pinterest performs much better when your account stays consistent around one topic. Now, step 3. Join affiliate programs. This is where you get your affiliate links. Some of the most popular affiliate platforms are Amazon Associates, Share a Sale Impact, and CJ Affiliate. Once you get approved, you can search for products and generate your personal affiliate links. Now, step 4, create your Pinterest pins. This is one of the most important parts because your pin is basically your advertisement. Most people use Canva to create pins, and honestly, simple designs usually work best. Create vertical images, add easy-to-read text, and make the design clean. For example, instead of writing Amazon product, a better title would be 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that save time, or best tech accessories for small desks. Because people click solutions, not random products. Now, step 5, upload the pin. Inside Pinterest, click Create Then Pin, upload your image, write a title, add a description, and include keywords naturally, then paste your affiliate link, or if you have a blog or website, you can send users there first. Now, something important, always disclose affiliate links. For example, you can write affiliate link or commission earned. This is important for transparency and platform rules. And now let's talk about keywords, because Pinterest works more like a search engine than a normal social media platform. So keywords matter a lot. Use keywords inside your title, description boards, and even your pin text. One of the easiest ways to find keywords is simply using Pinterest search suggestions. Now, another important thing, consistency. Because this is where most beginners quit too early. A lot of pins do not go viral immediately. Some pins can take weeks before they start getting traffic. But once a pin performs well, it can continue bringing clicks for months, which is one of the biggest reasons people love Pinterest affiliate marketing. Now, another important tip, do not spam affiliate links everywhere because Pinterest has become much stricter about spammy behavior. So mix affiliate content with normal valuable content. For example, tips, ideas, guides, or inspiration posts. This helps your account look more natural. Now, let's be honest for a second, Pinterest. Affiliate marketing is not instant money. And honestly, many people quit because they expect results immediately. But people absolutely are making money from it in 2026, especially in niches like home decor, beauty, fitness, fashion, and digital products. So to wrap this up, the process is simple. Create a Pinterest business account, choose one niche, join affiliate programs, create searchable pins, upload them with keywords and affiliate links, and stay consistent. Because honestly, once you understand how Pinterest traffic works, it can become a very powerful long-term income source.